Ni hao, hello, welcome to Chinese with Hermione. In today's lesson, we will learn how to count to 99 in Chinese. In our last lesson, we learned how to count to 10 in Chinese. And Chinese is so easy that to count to 99, we won't learn a new vocabulary. We are just going to be using the numbers from 1 to 10. Now, quick review. 1, 一 2, 二 3, 三 4, 四 5, 五 6, 六 7, 七 8, 八 9, 九 10, 十 Now, to count from 11 to 19, it is just going to be 10 10 plus 1 to 9. Let's give it a try. 11 11 10 1 11 Simple, right? 12 12 10 and 2 12 13 13 10 and 3 13 14 14 10 and 4 14 15 15 10 and 5 15 16 16 10 and 6 16 17 17 10 and 7 17 18 18 10 and 8 18 19 19 10 and 9 19 Very good. Now, the numbers 20 to 90 just going to be 2 to 9 times 10 10. Let's give it a try. 20 20 2 and 10 20 30 30 3 and 10 30 40 40 4 and 10 40 50 50 5 and 10 50 60 60 6 and 10 60 70 70 7 and 10 70 80 80 8 and 10 80 90 90 9 and 10 90 Good job. Now here, from 21 to 29, it is going to be 2 and 10 and 1 21 21 22 2 and 10 and 2 22 22 23 23 23 24 24 24 25 25 25 26 26 26 27 27 27 28 28 28 29 29 29 Now, same thing goes for 31, 3, 10, 1, 41, 4, 10, 1, 51, 5, 10, 1, 61, 6, 10, 1, 71, 7, 10, 1, 81, 8, 10, 1. Now let's try 91 to 99. 91, 91, 9, 10, 1, 91, 92, 92, 92, 93, 93, 93, 94, 94, 94, 95, 95, 95, 96, 96, 96, 97, 97, 97, 98, 98, 98, 99, 99, 99. That's all for today's lesson. I told you Chinese is easy, right? Thank you very much, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Goodbye.